The number 4 is Frank Mancuso.
Credete, l'emozione è grande, l'emozione è grande.
So like, they represented the best of Sicily. They came up with this great idea of the style, okay? And they made only 100. They're not gonna make more than 100 tile. And it's like the idea is like when you build, you know, a high-rise building, take every, with this 100 tiles, gonna look like they're gonna build the best of Sicily. It's like representing really the best of Sicily.
It's
That's what
called
they do. Io compro
the
siciliano.
cornerstone.
Cornerstone.
It's called the cornerstone.
Exactly. Thank you.
That's what it's
It's
cornerstone.
the cornerstone.
That's right.
Quella
Every great building has a plaque or a tile that is the cornerstone. That is the sentiment of the building.
Okay, you said that better than all of us. The cornerstone. This is number 4. They are all numbered,
Right.
and the number 4 is Frank Mancuso.
I will cherish this very much. By
And
the
this
way.
was all done by hand by Elisabetta Castagnera.
Right.
And she did, I don't know if you saw the cassata, also she painted the cassata live on the cassata we did here.
Right.
This one was on the cassata she painted.
Fantastic.
Anyway, this is the symbol of Io compro siciliano.
Oh, beautiful.
And they only it's gonna be, you know, 100 of these, and you have a cornerstone
Oh, very good.
of the grattacielo.
I can thank the Drago family for introducing me to Sicily, because as many times I had traveled for business to Italy during filming and all that, I had many times attempted to get there. In fact, one time I was supposed to meet Francis Coppola when we were shooting Godfather down there, and something came up. I was in Rome and I had to fly back to New York. So I never got to Sicily. So about 5 or 6 or 7 years ago,
7, 8 years ago.
I took my entire family, and my daughter and her children, and my son and his family, and all that, to Sicily. And we started in Palermo, and the mayor greeted us there, and we spent some time with him, and then we traveled all the way down
They came to Galati.
to Galati, and we were traveling, ended up in Taormina for a couple of weeks, and we had Tonino, for the most part, was with us so much of the trip. And I went and saw where my father's father came from, in Valle d'Olmo, and my mother's father from Coltipatura. And it was not only a great experience for me, but to have it with my children and my grandchildren was a lifetime of joy. So I thank that to the Drago family. Thank you very much for this.
Thank
I
you.
will treasure this. I appreciate it. I wish you good luck on
you.
your venture, and I'm sure that it's going to be very successful.
Thank you.
Devo
You're gonna
dire,
see us again here because it's Io compro siciliano. They're gonna do a lot of things here in America. I really represent the best of Sicily. Like, we only gonna do with the best of the best Sicilians they are around, where we learn, you know, how to really be Sicilian in this country. Thank you.
You know, you take a good lesson from the people who created the great wine businesses in France and in Italy also, where they branded the best, and you had to be within a certain region to qualify, and you only got the brand when you achieved a certain level of success. So that's a good formula to follow, yeah? And now those wines travel all over the world, you know, because of the ability to identify quality.
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah,
The foundation.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
you open?
You give to
Aspetta, lo dicevi in italiano?
Sì, allora
Italiano, voi in italiano. Abbiamo l'onore di essere a casa e comunque essere accanto a una persona importante, ma quelle persone che hanno fatto tanto e che fanno tanto e che sono legate alla nostra terra, alla Sicilia. Abbiamo detto che di queste 100 mattonelle le daremo a 100 persone, 100 illustre persone che raccontano il Made in Sicily nel mondo e che sono legate. Oggi siamo con Mr. Frank Mancuso e siamo onorati di questo. e proprio per questo vogliamo consegnare la mattonella.
Oh,
Is the
quarta
number
mattonella.
four
that's the number
Number
four.
four.
Number
of
four. Oh my
100.
God.
E con queste mattonelle
Oh, thank you so
vogliamo
very much.
onorare, diciamo, tutto il legame che ha avuto Mr. Frank Mancuso con la Sicilia, dando questo simbolo perché noi la rappresentiamo, per costruire questo, come abbiamo detto, grattacielo del Made in Sicily. Devo dire per gli amici di Io Compro Siciliano, e credeteci, credeteci, l'emozione è grande, l'emozione è grande per avere Celestino, Mr. Frank Mancuso, essere a casa di Mr. avere Padrino
con la signora.
Celestino Drago con la signora dentro, e consegnare questa mattonella, insomma. Questo è il bello, questa è la Sicilia, questo è quello che riesce a fare la Sicilia, ma si può fare tutto questo con persone eccellenti come voi. Grazie, grazie.
Grazie a voi, grazie a voi.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.